Okay. Start and broken. RCT. Unang basket. Number 4 now. Number 4. Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 3. Number 3 now. Pass to number 8. 28. Supal pa lang inabot. 77. No good. 77 again. Basket. Number 4. Number 4. To number 3 in the corner. Goose lang. Number 3 to number 77. 77 to number 2. 77. 77. No good. Rebound by number 7. Dalawa pa yung number 7 natin. Number 4 to number 7. 7 lumipad. Basket.
Anong hal tumulan? Dito pa, puntahin doon. Napansin ko lang ngayon lahat ng basketball player bagong ahit ah. Ano daw? Parang may inano kayo, may pinaghandaan kayo ah. Okay! Oy, lover boy!
Still. Time out! RCT. This time out brought to you by V Sports Apparel, Lucina Pinoy, Vita Cafe and Restaurant, and George Apparel.
Ikasin yung tamat. Ikasin yung tamat. Oy, nice shot. Bad shot.
77. Nagaw. Number 5 to number 7. Number 7. 7. Tapik. Number 5. Number 5. No good. 28 to number 2. Basket.
Basket, the basket. Get labas na din.
Number 4 now. 4 to number 7. 7 for 3. Bang! The 3. Number 3. 3 to number 28. 28 to number 3. Basket. Number 4 now. 4 to number 3. Number 3. My foul. Foul si number 3. Bago. 2 shots by number 3 also. Unang free throw, basket.
Pag na-shot, lamang yung manggap.
Second free throw. Basket pa rin. Score 9-8. 28. 28 now. 28 to number 3. Basket. Easy basket.
Dalawa na yun! Dalawa na!
Number 5. 5 to number 4 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Throw loud. Number 2. Number 2. Stepping line.
Nakakadalawa na, Clyde. Nakakadalawa na. Adjust.
Number 5. 5. No good. Rebound by number 2. To number 28. 28. Tumira na tres. Bang! RCT up by 4. Number. Symbol.
39. Display, sigla. Yan. Yan, kunin mo. Mag-iwanan, display.
10 seconds shoot. Number 5. Basket. Number 7. 7-7. To number 2. Number 2 now. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. To number 3. Basket na naman. 6 points. By number 3. Number 3 to number 2. Number 2 now. To number 3 for 3. No good. Grab on by 7-7. 7-7. Oh. Nakita. 6-point lead. 17-11.
Oh, double please. Saka punta.
Number 3. Ops, agaw. Oy. Hindi kita. Number 7 for 3. Bang! 4 minutes and 5 remaining. First quarter. 7-7. 7-7. No good. Grab one by number 5. 5 to number 4. 4. Basket.
16, 17.
They score 17-16. RCT up by 1. No good. Grab one by 28. No good. Grab one by. Step in line. 3 minutes and 23. Number 4 now. Number 4. Ups. Number 4 na naman.
Lamang isa. Turning without towing. Pasok pa rin.
18-17. Manggap up by 1. Number 3 now. To number 7-7. 7-7 for 3. Bang! For 3! 20-18 score. Number 7. Oh. 20 all. Number 3. 3 to number 20. Number 3. Number 3. Basket na naman. Hindi pa nagmintis. Si True Love.
Lapit. Ayan, atras.
Number 4. 4 to number 3. Oy. Huli. Oy, huli din. Oh, huli din. Number 77 now. 77. Pass to number 2. Basket. Time out. Manggap. Time out. He scored 24-20. RCT up by 4. This game brought you by B-Sport Safari, Kusina Pinoy, Venta, Cafe and Restaurant. Third, Ampar, Manggap.
Malaki. Kasi!
Number 4 to number 5. Hops. Aga ba? Hindi. Oy. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 3. No good.
No problem. 0-7 siya po pa rin.
0-7. Number 3. Bago. 10 seconds shoot. Oy. Hindi umabot. 1 minute 5 seconds. One minute. Number 4 to number 3. 3. Number 3. Itinira. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 19. Supal pala yun naman. 7. To number 3. 35 seconds remaining. 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 19. 19 to number 8. Number 8. 19. Number 3. Easy basket. 12. 10. 8.
Nice!
5. 5. 3. And the first quarter has scored 26-23. RCT went up by 3.
Score natin. Dahil yung nonik, puno yung court, Nick.
Number 5. 5 to number 7. The 3-point shooter. Yung number 5. Dinukot. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul si number. Number 26 foul. Holding foul. Bonus pa ito.
Underdog na yung ano? Underdog yung... Ay, hindi pala. Kulang sa tao. Hindi sila underdog. Kulang na sila sa tao. Mga tao.
Bonus free throw. Basket. It's a tie. 26 all. 19 to number 26, no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 9 to number 7, 3-point shooter, no good. Hoy, inagawan. Number 7.
Inagawan ng Candy si Cortez. Yung ganyan tsaka itim, ang puti niya na.
28, 28, 26, no good. Nag-miss na po. Hop, nagawan, no good. Number 3, no good. Rebound by 7. They score 30, Manggap 26, RCT. Sige sir, paupo na sir, paupo na. 28 now. 28 trim na ball. By foul. Sabrep. Foul number 7. Number 7 pushing foul. Substitution. Number 2. 26. Go number 28. No good. Oh, walang follow-up by number 77.
Samgad. Dikit na.
Number 9. 10 seconds. Number 5. My foul. My foul is number 7. Hogging foul.
Coach, good.
Unang free throw.
31, 28.
Second free throw.
Pag pumasok, tapat yung labang.
Wala. Rebound by 77. 77 to number 28. 28. Ops. 28. to number 77 for 3. Bang! Free! Score. Sharkiwan all.
Kuna kayo, Suna. Chris, kuna kayo. Simbol, adjust, adjust. Adjust,
On the
adjust.
shot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21. 21. No good. Grab on by 26. 26 to number 28. 28 ang mamadali. Number 28. Yo! Time out! Manga! This time out brought to you by B Sports Apparel. Kusina Pinoy. Benta, Cafe and Restaurant.
Wala nang
Cheers.
time out, ha?
Apparel.
Wala nang time out.
Manga, no more time out for the first half.
City 1.
Gitna, gitna, gitna. Gitna. Yan, yan, ganyan. Yan. Oo, ano yan?
One. To number 9. Number 5.
Double, 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 double.
Number 5. Number 5! My foul. Sumabit. 77 again. Illegal contact, 2 shots.
Second person.
Second personal foul, number 77.
Wala nang tinitingnan ko sa kanila.
Unang free throw kasi.
32, 33, pag pumasok, bigla ko ulit.
Second free throw. No good. Broken by number 8.
Oh, tapos. Apon, bola.
Number 8 now. To number 28. 28 to number 77. 10 seconds shoot. 77 to number 2. Oy.
Yun. Sige, pasok.
Sa'yo yan, okay banan.
Number 3.
Okay banan. Sige, nice.
3 to number 9.
Ayun na.
7. Number 7. Sub rep, sub. Sabi ito siya. Number 3 out, 4 in. To number 77. 77 to number 28. No good. Oh. Huli. May foul. Foul si number 7.
Bawal dito.
77. 10 seconds shoot. Ready? 5 seconds shoot. Oh yeah.
Sub daw.
Nabigyan na sir. Upo na sir. Upo dito. Upo na muna.
Yan.
Number 9. No good. Bravo by the way.
Baba, Chris, wala
Dalawang pick.
28 to number 2. Oh yeah.
Yan, ito.
Number 2.
Ito, talikod mo. Talikod mo.
10 seconds to shoot. 77. No good. Bravo by number 8 for 3. Tapping in. Time out. RCT. This time out brought to you by B Sports
Wala na silang time out,
Kusina
habol.
Pinoy. Benta, Cafe and Restaurant. Cheers. Kapal.
Both teams wala nang...
3 point na, yung 3 point. Yan.
Overall ka, bawasan ka dun ha.
Sulat isa. Yan, ganyan, na. Libre kabila. Chris.
For win! Technical.
Sinong foul? Sinong foul? Foul?
Si Bagot. Technical free throw, no good.
Walang foul? Walang foul daw?
Number 3. Oy, agaw. Number 4 to number 5. 5. Number 5. Oh.
Rick, sinong foul kanina?
Number 3.
Si Bago?
Bago ba? No good.
Apat na yun.
Sampa.
Apat na yun, apat na.
Number 9, foul. Technical foul, number 9.
Apat na.
Sub-rep, substitution.
Sinong tenga?
Bago out. 7-17. Technical free throw, no good. Plus 4 position.
Panalo sa fans.
10 seconds to shoot. 7-7. 7-7. Basket. Number 4. 4 to number 21. 21 for 3. No good. Grab on by number 26. 28. 28 to Madre. Hinahanas. Oy. Agaw by number 4. Number 5. Substitution. Subrep. Substitution.
Sabi mo ha. Ikaw nang kumausap.
3 minutes and 17 remaining. Oh, my foul. Number 3. Number 3, Manggap. Baseline tayo. Both teams warning for penalty. Number 6, number. Parwa by 7-7. It's a tie, 7-7, 37 all. Number 4. Number 21. 21 for 3, no good. Oy. May foul. Saglit lang. Foul number 28. Penalty. Substitution. Subrep. Sige, pasok. RCT penalty. Unang free throw, no good. Our score is 37 all. 2 minutes and 45 remaining. Second basket. Two minutes 35. Number 2, the numbers! No good. Number 4, Oy. Number 2, basket. Number 4 now, 4, basket naman. 2 minutes, 1 second remaining. Score 40-39. Manggap up by 1. Number 7-7 for 3, Nugget. Number 4, basket na naman. 1 minute and 40. Number 28 now. 28. 28. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Hoy. Walang kinasahan. Sabrek, substitution. Number 3 in, number 6 out. Number 4. Number 4 now. 4 to number 7. Number 5. Oy, agaw. Number 2. Number 2. No good. Number 3. Buti lang, mabilis. Ang backup. Backup dancer. Oy. Turnover. 57 seconds remaining. 57 seconds remaining. Number 3. 3, number 7. No, good. Number 4. Naputol.
Diskarte muna, diskarte!
Pampapayat mo siguro tayo collagen mo. Yung ng mahaba na.
Number 3 na ako. 3 to number 28. 28. Oh, walabas! Walabas! May foul. Penalty. Both teams penalty. Sabrek. Number 7 foul. Blocking foul. 2 shots.
Go, Lanting! Go, Lanting!
Wala.
Napasok.
Second free throw.
42-41 naman yung bansi.
Second free throw. Wala pa din.
Like.
Bukula mo!
Number 7. Basket by number 7. Ball. 10. 8. 5 seconds. Number 3. Basket. 2, 1. Settle. And on the second quarter score 44-43. Banggap, apay 1. Last 20 minutes. Number 3 na ako. 3 to number 7. Oy.
Move! Open! Sira!
10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Testing!
7 to 7. No good.
Aten! Nice rep!
Simple.
Ito. Please.
Oy. Nasagi. Number 7. 07 to number 11. Basket. Unang puslo ng number 11. Number 3 na ako. Number 3. Number 3. 77.
Napaganda pa yung
Basket.
laki to. Ano, Ulysses? 46, 45.
07 to number 5. 5 to number 07. 07 for 3. No good. Bravo boy. Number 3. 03 to number 77. Hindi na abutan.
Sige, baba.
11 7. Number 7 now. Pass to number 5. Number 2, nag-iisa.
Ang ganda ng pasa.
Pass it.
Quick pass on quick
40,
pass.
47, 46.
Ang isa, 46, 47.
Number 7 now. 7. Oy! Itakbo mo. 28! Hindi nahawakan. Sabret! Substitution! Substitution. Number 11 out. Ay, nabigyan na po na sir. Mamaya, upo mo na sir, upo. Upo mo na.
Sinong kunin ko?
Number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 to number 7. Basket! For win!
Sige, bawi!
7-7 to number 2. Number 3. Boarding. No good. Number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Nabitawan.
Sab.
Sabrep. Substitution. Number 2 out. 19 out. In.
Ayan na, balik na sila sa ano. Box 1.
Number 3. No good. Wrap by number 3. 28 now. 28. 4-3. Bang! We're free! Number 7. Babawi. No good. Oy, nakuha pa rin. Nakuha ni number 7. Oh.
Nice foul!
Jump ball. Jump ball. Manggap sa ball. Manggap.
Abo!
Sim ball. Manggap. Substitution. Substitution.
Baka lumabas! Baka lumabas! Baka lumabas!
Number 5. Number 3, 4-3. No good. Bravo by number 3. 28. 28 now. 28. Basket. Number 28.
Okay, maingay! Malalaman nila!
They score 52-49. Aro City by 3. 6 minutes. Number 5. Number 5. By foul. Foul si number 3. Throw up. Flying foul. Side throw lang.
Libre! Yan!
Running time 5 minutes and 50. 10 seconds shoot. My foul. Second team foul. Sabrep, substitution. Number 19 foul. Illegal use of hand.
Balik!
Seven. 10 seconds shoot. Number 6. 5 to shoot.
Okay!
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Ay, may UF tayo.
UF sila!
May UF. May UFC UFC number 7. Number 7 UF. Si 2 Sabrep, substitution. 2 shots plus ball position. Unang free throw. No good.
Hoy, may asawa na yan.
Basket. Ball position. 4-point lead. Number 14. Warning.
Warning na sila, warning.
14. Okay, 14.
Jet, warning na sila, Jet. Tayo.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nice.
5 to shoot. Number 28 for 3. No good. Grab up by 7-7. 7-7 to time in 19. Basket.
Kuha.
Score 55-49. 6-point lead. 5 minutes and 7 remaining. Number 9 to number 5. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul si number 28. Hit to the head. Bonus free throw. Five minutes. Basket.
55-52.
28 now. 28 to number 3.
Disney, labas Disney.
Number
Labas ka
3.
Disney, bakit makipag-ano?
10 seconds to shoot. 28 for 3. No good.
Uli.
Oy.
Bagsak! Oy, bagsak! Bagsak!
Number 4. 4. Number 4 now. 4. 7. Naagaw. To number 28. 28 now. 28 to number 3. Number 3 to number 19. Number 3!
57-52.
Kuha na, kuha dyan, huwag mo layuan.
His score 57-52. 5-point lead. Number 7 now. 07 to number 3. No good. Drop on by number 3. 28 now.
Kulang.
28.
Kulang.
To number 77. 77 to number 19. Number 3. To number 28. 28. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Grab on by 28. 28 for 3. Wala.
Ay na, oh.
Number 7 now. 7. Oh, nice defense.
Tulay.
Number 3. Oy.
Tulay!
77. Basket. Ikaw yung nakashoot, Kirstong. Hindi ka pwede mag-timeout kasi ikaw nakashoot. Number 9. Number 9 to number 5. 5 now. 10 seconds shoot.
Lapit.
Oy, may foul. Time out. RCT. Foul si number
19.
19
Cortez.
foul. Warning for penalty.
59-52.
This time out brought to you by V Sports Apparel. Kusina Pinoy. Venta. Cafe and Restaurant. Adjurs Apparel.
Hindi na nakatingin.
Okay, pasok. Number 5. Oy, agaw. Itinapon. Mataas masyado. Pito na po ang labangan ni RCT. Number 7. Basket.
Kuha hangin. Ayan, Justin!
Number 2. Number 2! No good! Walang sumuporta. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to Nagaw. Number 3. Number 3. To number 2. 19. Number 3. Oy! Wala. Number 4. To number 9. Number 7 pala.
56-59, 3-point lead by RCT.
Number 2 now.
Passing ball, dito na sa bola.
To number 8. Number 7. To number 3. Number 3. Basket.
Wala pa nga, hindi mo makasabi. Walang gagawin.
1 minute and 20 remaining. Number 5 now. 5. Number 5. Basket by number 5.
Wag na sa lubong!
1 minute and 5 seconds remaining.
58-61.
Bang! Way by number 7. Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. 7. To number 2. Number 8 to number 3 again. Basket. 30 seconds remaining. Number 7 to number 3. No good. Rebound by number 7. My foul. Penalty. Substitution ref. No, nandun na pa. Foul si number. Na 19 foul. Unang free throw, no good. 17 seconds remaining. Last free throw. Wala. 16. 15.
Sa kapila mo!
Open!
5 seconds. Basket na naman. 3, 2, 1, and now the third quarter. In score 68-15. RCT up by 10. Number 3. 77. Basket na naman. 11 to number 5. Number 5 to number 7. 7 out to number 11. 11 to number 7. 7 to Mira na 3. No good. Kuha ni True Love. Itinapon kay number 2. Number 5. Basket. May kasama bang foul? Basket count. Foul number 3.
Sinong number 3
Tulay.
si Tulay?
Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw. Basket. Number 3. Number 2 now. Number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. 28 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 7. 7 to number 4. 4. Basket na naman. May kasama mo foul. Basket count. Number 3 foul. Illegal use of hand. Sino? Si Tulay? Or?
Sa Tulay si Bago.
03.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul. Bonus free throw. Basket. 6.8. $77. No good. Number 2. Oy. Number 3. No good.
Wala. Atin pula.
Manggap's ball. Last 8 minutes and 35. He scored 70-64. Number 7, good. To number 3, basket.
Gulog. Unahan mo, Chris.
Number 5 to number 7. 7 to number 5.
Lapit!
10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 now. Number 5. Number 5. Basket na naman.
One man down.
Number 3. To number 3. No good. Number 4. 4 now. 4 to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Diretso foul.
May blocking foul. Blocking foul si number 3. Who's number 3? Tulay.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul. Third personal foul.
Kunin mo, Gisli. Sundan mo. Sige, sundan mo.
10 seconds to shoot. 11. Oy, huli. Number. Oy.
Ay, wala. Yata hindi kayo.
Oy, nagaw.
Ayun na.
Number 4. Oh, swipe.
Tampay.
Number 3 now. 3 to number 28. No good. Rebound by 28. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Basket. May kasama kang foul. Foul si number. Basket count. Number 7 foul. Blocking foul. Pag pumasok, timeout. No good. Oh, number 3. Yan, timeout. Manggap. This timeout brought to you by V-Sports Sabares, Kusina Pinoy, Venta Cafe and Restaurant, and George Sabares. Number 4. 4 now. 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7. No good. Rebound by number 3. 28 now. 28.
Yes.
Pass to number 2. 10 seconds to shoot.
Go. Nice.
77. 28. No good.
Good.
24. 24. number 4 pala. Number 4 basket. They score 7-6, 68. Last 5 minutes on number 4.
Tulay, wag ka dyan tulay. Wag ka dyan tulay kung gusto ka.
8 seconds to shoot. For way! By number 77. Last 5 minutes on 14. 11-point lead. Number 7. 7. Supal naman. May foul. Foul si number 7-7. Kamay. Tinamaan ang kamay. 2 shots. Number 7. Two shots by number 7. Unang free throw. Basket.
69.
Second free throw. Second free throw. Basket pa rin. 9-point lead. Huli. Oh, number 4. Number 4 nagpapadali. Number 4. Easy basket. Number 2. Basket.
Hoy, tawa kayo tao, kayo magtunganga.
Last 4 minutes and 28. On check.
Warning na si Tulay.
Penalty.
Warning na si Tulay.
Warning for penalty.
Warning si Tulay.
Warning for penalty. Warning number 3. Penalty, yeah. Penalty. Unang free throw, basket. 8-point lead. Second free throw. No good. Bravo by number 3. 3 to number 7-7. 7-7.
Kasunod tulay, tulong ka sa gutna. Yan, dyan ka lang.
10 shoot. Problem. Last 4 minutes and 9. Number 4. Number 4 now. Number 4. Basket by number 4. 6-point lead. 8-1, 7-5. 28 for 3. For 3. Last 3 minutes and 37. Number 7 for 3. No good. Grab by number 3. Number 3 to number 2.
Hindi naman tayo nakaabon. Sila naman nakaabon. Captain!
7-7. 7-7. No good.
Nice, wala, sige.
Last 3 minutes and 13.
Kuwasa. Kunin mo, kuha mo na.
Number 5. 5 now. My foul. Blocking foul. 2 shots. Number 7-7.
Warning na rin 7-7.
7-7. Fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul. Number 7-7. Number 3. 3 minutes and 5. Unang free throw, basket. Second free throw. Basket din.
Double foul! Double foul! Double foul! Grabe na, double foul!
Warning. Second motion. Warning number 3 and 7.
Eric, na-warning na siya kanina eh.
Last 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Number 2 now. Number 3. Number 2. Oy.
Gumagana na yung oras, di pa man na.
Double, dito. Double tulay, ilalim mo.
7.
Ito, atras.
Number 7. Number 7. No good. Drag by 7-7. To number 2. Number 2. Kaya. May kasama pang foul. Number 4. Pushing foul. Bonus free throw by number 2. Last 2 minutes and 31. Basket. Sampo na naman. Number 5. 5. Pull-up jumper. Basket.
Tulay, wag ka na dyan tulay sa sentro. Wag ka na wala magagawa dyan tulay.
Number 3. Number 3.
Wala.
Foul. Foul si number.
Wala ko nakita.
Foul. Foul number 3. Pushing foul. Third team foul.
Warning na nga sila kanina.
Wala kasi tinula.
Hindi, wala man nilang nakita. Hindi nila nakita.
Kayo nagsabi kanina no. Okay, technical tayo ha. Technical.
Technical. Second motion number. Technical for second motion. Last 2 minutes and 8. He scored 87-79. 8-point lead. Technical free throw. Basket. Our city's ball. Our city's ball.
Atin ang bola oh. Huwag kayo ha. Wala pa ang bola. Wala pang bola sa labas. Nice.
77. Basket. Running just by number 27. Last 2 minutes. 9-point lead. Number 7. 7. Sukal pala yung naman. Okay. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. shot. No good. Rebound by number 3. Oy, napunta kay number 3. Number 4. 4. Lumusot na naman. Basket na by number 4. 28. 28 to number 3. Number 3. Number 3. May bata. Number 5. To number 7. 7. No good. Rebound by number 3. 3 now. Number 3. Pass to number 28. Basket naman by number 28. Last 54 seconds. Number 4. Number 4. Basket.
Tulay niya sa gitna.
My foul. Foul. Warning. Time out. Manggap. Time out. Manggap. This time out for Tuwai. This board Samaran. Kusina Binoy. Brenta. Ben Ressa. Gers Samaran. Lamang po CRCT ng ito. Last 41 seconds. The score 91-84.
Laban dito na kato.
Last. Okay, time out pagbasket ng second free throw.
Ito, mo dapat.
Balik dito, Chris. Dito kayo. Chris, dito.
No good.
Baba lang, baba! Baba!
Last 20 seconds. My foul.
Graduate na. Graduate si Dulay.
Fifth personal foul, number 3. Fifth personal foul, seventh foul. Last 19 seconds. Both teams penalty. Third game.
Move! Abo!
BMW versus ALKT. Semi-final round also. Game 3.
Bakit hindi nyo in-award yung kay Lastimoso? Hindi nyo in-award.
Unang free throw. Pasok.
Pwes lang, time out ka pag minishot. Walang time out.
Oh, sige.
Malabo, 19 seconds na lang eh.
Second free throw. Wala.
Bigay mo dito sa kabila!
Last 12 seconds.
Dito lang kayo! Suna lang kayo, suna!
Last 12 seconds.
Suna lang, suna! Uy!
My foul. Number 26 foul. Last 8 seconds. 26 foul. 2 shots. Unang free throw. Wala.
Hapon, dito na kayo!
Second, no good. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. End of the ball game. Final score 92-87. RCT for championship round.
Final score